Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a easy paper birthday gift. So this is a very easy way of making a paper gift idea and it is useful too. So it's also a special gift idea because it is in the form of a paper craft ladybug, and after you open it you'll have like a small note inside and you can have like a birthday card. So this can also be a cute gift to them, and you can also keep and write notes to the person you're going to be being gifted. You're going to gift this to. So you can gift this to your friends, family members, siblings, and anyone, and they'll be really happy to receive this. You can also use your own creativity to design this. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this easy and cute ladybug birthday craft idea. So you can also decorate it using your own ideas and creations. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So we're getting started. I'm just going to be taking a few materials before we start. So for this activity, we mainly need a red piece of paper, a black piece of paper. Then we also need a whitener. That's all we need. We also need a glue and a scissor, and if you want you can take a compass for drawing the circles and cutting them out, or a cutter, and also take a black marker for putting the dots. And also please make sure if you take a pencil to draw and cut the circles if you want. So get started. I'm just going to take in a small piece of paper like this of black color. So I'm just going to be folding it in half over here, and I'm going to opening it. So now I'm just going to be taking the scissor, and for that I'm taking a pencil. I'm drawing a circle over here like this. So now I'm just going to be drawing like an 8 connecting this circle. So if you guys want, you can use a compass to draw it perfectly. So one more thing is that you can just draw like an 8 over here, and at last you can erase this part. So now I'm just going to be cutting this out gently. So if you feel like this is hard, you can just use a compass or something so that you don't mess it up. So we're just going to be making it cut into the center, then we're going to be taking it back and then cutting a circle slowly like this. So please make sure that the cuttings are perfect and cut it so that you don't mess it up, because this is the main part of the card where you will have to write everything. So if you mess up in this writing part, then the whole card will be a swap. And also this will be like a surprise card because they'll think that this is a ladybug at the beginning. Then if you open it, you'll be having like the birthday message over here. So before that, I'm just going to be erasing the lines that we used the pencil for. If you want, you could erase that, or you can just take it and use the back part as well. So now I'm just going to be folding this piece of paper over here, and so now we'll be having like a half semicircle like structure like this. So next I'm just going to be taking a small red piece of paper, and so I'm going to be folding it in half like this. So now I'm going to be cutting out a circle from this as well. So these are like easy steps, but sometimes you might forget. So please watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss out anything. So now we've got two circles like this from the piece of paper that we cut out. So now I'm just going to be folding these circles into small pieces like this into two halves. So I'll be having two semicircles. So before that, as you see, this one's kind of bigger. So if this one's bigger, you can just cut it out to have like a perfect circle. So if you do this also, like some uneven parts will be cut out. So as you see, this bottom part is bigger than that over here. So if you do this step, everything will be cut out and it will be equal. So I'm also going to be trimming it at the bottom over here so that the wing size will also be perfect. So if you guys want to take like white marker, it will be rarely available. If you get that, since if you use a whitener, it will be kind of thick to write it over here. But if you use like a white marker or like an oil pastel, you could just write it easily. But if you make in a bigger size, you can use the oil pastel. But in a smaller size, it will be kind of thick and you won't be able to do it. If you want to just trim using a scissor and write it using an oil pastel. So now I just got like small two semicircles like this, and I'm going to taking this opening part over here and I'm going to folding it, and I'm going to folding this part over here and this one over here, and I'm going to sticking it on top over here. So now I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and I'm going to be applying some glue on this side of the paper and on this proportion as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be sticking this on here, and at last I'm going to be sticking this one over here as well. So now we'll be having like a small triangular gap over here. Now we'll be opening this up, so make sure it's nice and strong. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking a black marker and I'm going to be putting dots over here for the ladybug. So one more thing is that you can even write small messages over here, and in this part. It's not compulsory, but you can do this if you like. So now the body of the ladybug is ready. So now let's move on to its face and other things. So I'm going to be cutting out a small circular piece of paper from another black piece like this. So please make sure that the bottom is kind of like stretchy, because we're going to be sticking it onto the bottom anyway, like this, so it will be covered. So I'm just going to be applying some glue at the back portion of the paper over here, and I'm taking this part and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So now I'm going to be turning it like this, and I'm just going to be trimming it a little bit at the top to make it even and adjust it. So now our face is ready. Now I'm taking a whitener. So if you're a small child, please do not use a whitener, because sometimes you may get whitener on your hands or like on the table like this, and you might even give your hands in the mouth, which might be dangerous since it's harmful and toxic. So please ask your parents' help, or you can even use like a white marker. Or one more thing is that you can just take a white piece of A4 sheet and cut it into a circle and stick it as well. So now I'm just going to be drawing 2 dots over here for the eyes and a big downward C like this. And we'll be having a small smiley here as well. So you can decorate it in any way you like. I'm just making it easy and simple. So I'm going to taking the remaining piece of paper that we had, and I'm going to be cutting it over here like this. So now I'm just going to be cutting this into further pieces like this over here. So now I'm just going to be rolling this over here so that it will be kind of rolled at the top for the antennas of the ladybug. So I'm just going to be rolling it gently like this. And now I'm going to be opening this rolled parts outside. And now I'm going to be repeating the same step. So please make sure that the pieces are nice and thin, so that it will be easy to roll them. So now we've completed the rolling part. I'm just going to be turning this ladybug to this side, and I'm going to apply some glue over here like 2 eyes. So one more thing is that if you do not want, you can just like take glue and use it for the eyes over here. And after but if you use glue, it will take a long time to dry and you have to wait. And if you're a small child, it's better if you use the glue and wait until it's dry. But it takes some time, so it will be better if you keep it under fan or something to make it better. So now I'm just going to be rolling it inwards over here to make it nice and cute. So now our ladybug is ready. So now the next step is that we're going to be writing the message. So I'm just going to be opening it, and I'll be having a small portion over here, cute and small portion. And I'm writing the message over here. So you can write happy birthday. So if you see in this one, I just wrote happy birthday, and I just put 4 smileys and 3 hearts. So for this one, you could give it to your friends and family members and use it for many purposes. It'll also look cute over here. So for this one, I'm just going to be writing happy birthday here as well. So please wait a sec until I complete this. So in the meanwhile time, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now, since I don't have much space over here, I'm just going to be using writing happy birthday over here like this. One more thing is that if you have like a different shade of black, you can even use that. So since as you guys see, this one's kind of lighter, so even if I write with this, it will be visible. But since it's really important message, I'm writing this in bold, and I'm going to be writing something over here in a lighter sketch. So now I'm just going to be writing enjoy your day at the bottom like this. So I'll show you once I finish. So as you see, it will be kind of visible even if you write it on black. So I just wrote enjoy your day over here, and at the top I'm just going to be putting a few dots and a big heart like this. So I just put like a big heart, and I just drew 2 balloons over here, and I put a few dots over here. So now I'm just going to be putting smileys over here at the bottom part, and I'm going to be putting 2 dots over here like this. So now we've completed with our message. So you can write anything you like, and you can even give it to your mom and dad for their anniversary. You can give it as a birthday gift, or you can use it for Christmas or anything. And you can do this with different cards. So for example, if you're going to give like a Christmas card, you can just like draw Santa Claus over here, and you can just keep it as a stomach, and you can keep the legs over here. And if you open it, this message will be in his stomach, or you can keep it as the heart and do anything. So after we complete this, our easy paper cute ladybug birthday gift craft is ready. So this is a really easy cool craft, and it's useful too. So it's also really good to look at, and if you open, it will be like secret message over here. So you can even keep it like this and place it on your tables or decoration. You just keep like decoration, and when it's your mom's or father's birthday, you just give like a treasure hunt and tell them to open it to see the message. It will be like a cool craft as well as a greeting card as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So if you have any queries about this video or any about videos, any videos in my channel, you can comment in the comment box. So I'll see to your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. So if you also have any doubts about these crafts, you can comment that as well. And if you have any ideas about what I should post in my channel, you can comment that in the comment box as well too. And if you want something that you want me to make, I'll see your comments and try to make the craft you wanted as soon as I'm good at making it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Craft2Gets. Thank you for watching. Bye.